kalye, sa jeep, yan. And I always feel like I'm not good enough. But after The Voice, it all changed. I felt like I'm a new person. I keep my head up high everywhere I walked and I always smile. Kahit di sila ngumingiti sa akin, I always smile at everybody. Like, you know, kahit na minsan parang gusto nilang ngumiti pero nahiya sila. Ako smile lang talaga ako kasi I feel like that's, you know, that's how you represent yourself. You're a happy person, you appreciate people, and ako, I appreciate the respect. Ngayon po, dati kasi pag lumalakad ako, tawa na. Even po sa trabaho, sumampa pa lang ako ng stage. Diyan yan, tawa naman yan. Yan lang, nagising. Sobrang masakit po para sa akin yan. Pero ngayon, pag nasa labas ako, si Johnny Xavier yan ah. Hindi ko na po naririnig yung taba, yung baboy na word. Oh, ito po yun. Kaya every time I think about it, talagang it doesn't break my heart. It gives me a new spirit, a new lift. And parang I want to be an inspiration to those other people like me na who lost their self-respect just because of other people who's bullying them. Na sinasabi ko na, you know, you're fat, but, you know, that's not their problem. Or that's not a problem for, unang-una, hindi sila nagpapakain sa'yo. Hindi sila bibili ng bigas mo para problemahin ka nila na mataba ka.